Rightio, we're in the Wollemi Wilderness. We're off to do a canyon. But this time, it's a bit different. Someone was silly enough to give us a kid to look after for the day. And so we didn't tell them we were taking them canyoning, but hey, it's an adventure. So Jack, this way, tell us where you are and what's happening. Stand in front of the camera. Where are we?
In the Wollemi Wilderness.
I said that. You got to be original.
I don't know, in the wilderness.
In the bush next to a tree.
Where are we going?
To a canyon.
Do you know what a canyon is?
No.
What is it?
The hole.
Oh, that's not very nice. It's not a hole. I'm just going to go around you. Stay still, Jack. Your dad's used to it. Look, he'll show you how it's done.
Wow, look at this! Water!
canyon today. Yeah, it was good. I liked it. I liked jumping in the pools. That was fun. And yeah, it was good.
Cold.
Yeah, water was cold.
Would you do
Hated
another
that.
one?
Yeah, I would do another one.